Stop. If you're thinking about using Mathlyo to create and sell worksheets online, you need to see this first. Because thousands of people are trying to make money selling worksheets on platforms like TPT and Etsy. But most of them fail because they don't know what to create, they struggle with design, and they waste hours trying to build worksheets manually. So the real question is, can Mathlyo actually help you create and sell worksheets faster? Or is it just another tool with big promises? In this video, I'm going to give you a full Mathlyo walkthrough, show you how it works, and how you can get my exclusive bonus bundle free if you decide to get it. Let's get started. But before we jump into the walkthrough, if you decide to get Mathlyo through the link in the description, you'll also unlock my exclusive bonus bundle completely free. These bonuses will help you create better worksheets, sell faster on TPT and Etsy, and actually turn this into a real income stream, so make sure you grab it through my link to unlock those bonuses. Now let's take a look inside Mathlyo. Now let's talk about the bonuses you'll get if you buy through my link. These are designed to help you actually sell your worksheets, not just create them. Bonus 1, Worksheet Naming Vault, $17 value. You'll get 200 plus ready-to-use worksheet names that are designed to sell. No more guessing titles, just pick, copy and use. This alone can help your worksheets stand out on TPT and Etsy. Bonus 2, TPT Listing Copy Generator, $39 value. This is powerful. You can instantly generate product title, full description and selling bullet points. All optimized for marketplaces like TPT and Etsy. So instead of struggling with writing, you just copy and paste. Bonus 3 to 30-day worksheet launch calendar, $17 value. This is your step-by-step plan. It shows you what to create, when to publish, how to price and how to stay consistent. So you're not just creating worksheets, you're actually building a business. So if you want to check out Mathlyo and claim all my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Get Mathlyo, unlock the bonus bundle, and start building your worksheet business today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.